In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem resetting your PC Windows 10 or 11. To do that, go to the Start menu on your computer, click on it, and then type CMD and run as administrator. In the command, type this, then press Enter. After that, restart your PC. Other ways to do that is to go to Start menu, click on the power button, then press and hold the Shift and select Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and click Command Prompt. In the command, type this and then press OK. After that, type this once again and then go ahead and press OK. This operation may take several minutes. When it is finished, hit the Close button, then click Continue. And that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.